Hi, I'm Jennifer Ennisser. Today I'm going to show you how to make custom name hangers. It's a great personalized gift for the bride-to-be. The total cost of the craft is only $5, and if it's your first time trying this out, it'll probably take you about an hour to complete. The materials that you need are 12-gauge floral wire, and then some wooden hangers. In addition, you're going to need some tools, which include a power drill, wood glue, some wire cutters, pliers, a Sharpie, and a scrap piece of paper. So let me show you how I did it. Step 1. Create a template. Measure out the length of the hanger and then leave 2 inches of space on each end. This will act as your guide as you create the name when wrapping the wire. Step 2. Take your wire and measure out 2.5 inches on the start end. Step 3. Start to shape the letters. This wire is really flexible, so you can just use your hands. But if you need additional help, you can use pliers. I also think that the lowercase script works best for beginners. Step 4. Drill a hole about 1 inch from each end of the hanger. Step 5. Trim any excess wire, then add glue to the hole in the hanger and secure wire into place. So here's the finished hanger. For an added touch, try painting them in order to match the bride's color palette for the wedding. Also, keep in mind that this craft is definitely more rustic, handmade. It doesn't have to be perfect. If you enjoyed watching this tutorial, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more wedding tips.